सही बात है। Hello, sir. You can give me host. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, okay, very good. So all of you even okay join in this WhatsApp group also, so that I can send you all those okay documents, all those files here related to your our classes. Okay. Just within 1-2 minutes we can start here, because for some students, okay, they don't know all this, so now they are searching and joining. Okay, shall we start, guys? Okay, let us start here. We can't wait. Okay, see here. No, in this one, ninth one. Okay, I feel hungry. We should not use feeling. Okay, 10th one. I think this is your key. So, okay, what did I tell you here? Some verbs. I feel, taste, smell, hear, wish, hope, like, love, hate, contain, consist. Okay, even have. They should not be used in continuous tenses because those are stative verbs or non-progressive verbs. So don't use them in continuous tenses. Is it clear? Right. Guys, are you listening? Okay. Mohit, are you listening? Just raise your hand. Lakshmi Sai Prasanna, raise your hand. Likita, raise your hand. Sai Teja. Lakshmi Prasanna, she is not there. Okay. Right. Okay, okay. Mohit, KVR Mohit, raise your hand. So just don't just join here, but be attentive, and you can drop now. You can drop now. You can drop your hands. Okay. Right. Let us see. Right. Now, here again we will repeat all this. Don't worry here. Okay. let us go to the next tenses. Okay, from here onwards, here 14th onwards. Okay, yeah, 14th to okay, 14th to 31, 31, 32. Okay, all these are completed actions. 14th to 32, these are completed actions. And let me tell you here how to, okay, for completed actions, there are three types of tenses. For completed actions, there are three types of tenses used. Is it clear? If the actions are completed, here you see this one. Here, okay, I am highlighting. If the actions are completed just before present time or recently, even if the time is not mentioned here, okay, we have to use the present perfect tense. What is this? Present perfect tense. Okay, what are the hints we get recently, just now, this week, this month, today, already, so far, never, yet, still? If we get these hints, okay, they indicate that the actions are recently completed. If those are recently completed, we have to use subject plus have or has plus V3 form, which is called present perfect. This is for completed actions only. Okay. And if the actions are completed before or by past time, or before or by past action. Okay, what are the hints? Before or by past action, or before or by past time. If these hints are there,
Sir,
we should think that these are completed before past time or by past time. Okay, then we have to use past perfect, subject plus had plus V3. These two, if those are just completed here before present or recently, present perfect. If they are completed before past or by past, past perfect. And if they are completed in the past, if they are completed in the past, when past time is known or mentioned, okay, like yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 1947, any past time is given, simple past. Guys, are you following? Are you following? Just
sir.
okay. See here.
Sir,
Yeah.
this all comes under what, sir? Like, this all comes under what, sir?
All comes under tenses only.
Not that part, sir. Like, yesterday you said about simple past and simple present. You said all about
Right.
that, right, sir?
In the same way, okay, out of 12 tenses here, 3 tenses, simple past, present perfect, past perfect. These 3 tenses are used for completed actions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, these 3 tenses here. Okay, okay, I am classifying here. So how to identify a tense or the verb form, that is important in the examination. Okay, first we have to see here. If the past time is mentioned like yesterday, last week, last year, 2 days ago, in 1947, any past time is given, okay, for the completed action, we have to use here simple past. Here, see the highlighted sentence. Can you see the screen? Hello? Hello guys, can you see the screen? Say yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. Then see here. Okay. For completed actions, if time is mentioned like this, next Sunday, okay, not next Sunday, last Sunday, last week, 2 days ago, last year, in 1947, like that, if it is given like this, okay, use simple past. What is that simple past? Subject plus V2 form, verb second form. I went to Mumbai last Sunday. Okay, If time is not mentioned, or if it is recently completed, we have to use present perfect. This one. I am moving my cursor here. What is that? Subject plus have or has plus with. So she has gone out just now, recently completed. Don't say she went out just now. Okay, they have gone to Delhi this week. This week, this month, this year, okay, today, they come under recent actions only. This week also recent. This month is also recent. This year also recent. 2 hours ago is past. 2 days ago is past. 1 hour ago is past. Okay. See, okay, if it is completed here recently, we get here, okay, phrases like this. Recently, just now, this week, this month, today, already, so far, never, yet, still, like this. So we have to use present perfect. If the actions are completed before another past time or another past action, we have to use past perfect. Subject plus had plus with. We had gone to Agra before we joined in this college. Okay, before we joined in this college, one past action. Before that, we had gone to Agra. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Okay, let me give you here some sentences also, right? Even I will type. Okay. So you see here. I have seen the movie. I have seen the movie. Okay. This week. Okay, it is one sentence. Okay. I saw the movie. Okay, yesterday or last week. Or yesterday. Okay, yesterday. Day is not coming. D is right. Okay. I had. D is not coming here. I had seen the movie. Had seen the movie. Okay. Before I joined, okay, in this college. Okay, D is not okay. I had seen. So I have to take virtual keyboard. Here it should be had only. Third one is had seen. Second one is saw. First one is have seen. Why? What is the reason? Yesterday, last week, last Sunday comes under past only, simple past. This week, this month, recently. Okay, this year comes under present perfect. Before I joined, okay, before past comes to past perfect. Had, here D is not getting typed here, like this. Okay, guys, are you followed here? Are you understood here? Hello. See here, for completed actions, we can use the 3 tenses: simple past, present perfect, past perfect. Okay, we use simple past, that is subject to.
నిజంగా నీ మీద ప్రామిస్, సరే మా మదర్ మీద ప్రామిస్, అసలు చెప్పను కూడా చెప్పలా. నిజంగా నువ్వే బాగుంటావు సుప్రియ కంటే.
హలో నాన్న, అందరూ జస్ట్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ ఓకే స్పీకర్. ఎవరు చెప్పలేదంటున్నారు, ఇంట్లో డిస్కషన్ బాగా వస్తున్నాయి. ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ హియర్. ఓకే, రైట్. Yeah, for completed actions, when the time is known like this, yesterday, last week, last year, like that, subject plus V2. That is simple past. When time is not mentioned, or if it is recently completed, use this present perfect, have or has plus V3. If time is mentioned, if the action is completed before past or by past time or past action, use past perfect, had plus V3. Okay, now let us do some exercise. So whether you have understood or not, let us see this. Okay, 18th one. Tell me the answer here. Which tense is needed? John is not here at the moment. Can you see the screen, guys, here? Yeah, see here. Try to do these exercises. John is not here at the moment. He dash go to Italy. What is the answer? Ram Subhash here. Had gone is past perfect. Had gone is past perfect. Went is simple past. Likita, when do we use went here? If time is known. Ram Subhash, when do we use past perfect? Had gone, had plus V3. If it is completed before past, past కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. పాస్ట్ కంటే ముందు అయిందా? ఎప్పుడు ఇటలీకి వెళ్ళాడు? టైం తెలుసా? ఇఫ్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ నోన్, యూజ్ ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. 18th, all of you guys, John is not here at the moment. He dashed to Italy. So when did he go to Italy? Is the time mentioned? No. If time is not mentioned, use present perfect. Use present. Prasuna, it is not continuous action amma. ఎందుకు ఈజ్ గోయింగా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ లేడు అంటే అతను పోతున్నాడనే. వెళ్ళిండు అన్నాడు, ఆల్రెడీ వెళ్ళిండు. జాన్ ఇక్కడ లేడు ఎట్ ద మూమెంట్. అతను ఇటలీకి వెళ్ళిపోయిండు. బట్ ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళిపోయిండు? we don't know the time. When we don't know the time, we should use here present perfect. Has gone to Italy. Has gone to Italy. Prasuna. Likita, goes endukama? Idi regular action ah? Likita, goes అనేది రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ కి మాత్రమే వాడతారు. గో గాని గోస్ గాని రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్స్ కి మాత్రమే వాడతారు. ఇవి కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్. ఎక్కడ వింటున్నావు? కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, లిఖిత అర్థమైందా లేదా చూడము. ఓకే, కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్ మనం ఫస్ట్ చూడాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఈ వర్బ్స్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్ ఆర్ కంటిన్యూస్ యాక్షన్ ఆర్ ఫ్యూచర్ యాక్షన్, ఇలా చూడాలి. జాన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ హియర్ అట్ ద మూమెంట్ అంటే ఇది హీ డాష్ గో టు ఇటలీ అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయినట్టే కదా, కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్ కదా. యా, రామ్ సుభాష్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంది. కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్ కాబట్టి ఫర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్ వెన్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మెన్షన్డ్ యూజ్ ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. హీ హ్యాస్ గాన్ టు ఇటలీ. నా దగ్గర ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. వర్చువల్ కీబోర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాను అండి. వర్చువల్ కీబోర్డ్, వర్చువల్.
Sir, small doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if it's regular action in the past, we use in the present we use simple present, right, sir?
రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ అంటే రెగ్యులర్ రిపీటెడ్ అంటే పాస్ట్ ప్రజెంట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఎప్పుడు రిపీట్ అవుతూ ఉండేదాన్ని రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ అంటే.
అదే సార్, అది సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ అంటే
సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ అంటారు.
సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ కూడా రెగ్యులర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వాడతాం కదా సార్, సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ కూడా.
అది పాస్ట్ లో రెగ్యులర్ అయినప్పుడు.
అదే సార్, రెగ్యులర్ అంటే సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్, సింపుల్ పాస్ట్, వాడతాం అంతే కదా సార్?
లేదు, రెగ్యులర్ కు పాస్ట్ రెగ్యులర్ వాటికి జనరల్ గా అవి పాస్ట్ హ్యాబిట్స్ కి అయితే యూజ్ టు ప్లస్ V1 పెడతాం. కానీ అక్కడ పాస్ట్ టైం మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉండాలి. రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ లో పాస్ట్ టైం మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంటేనే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ వాడాలి. పాస్ట్ టైం మెన్షన్ చేయనప్పుడు ఓకే మీరు పాస్ట్ యాక్షన్
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్ సార్.
ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఇది పాస్ట్ యాక్షనే, కానీ రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ ఎట్లయితుంది? అతను రెగ్యులర్గా ఇటలీకి వెళ్తున్నాడా? డస్ he go to Italy regularly? No, it is not mentioned like that. Okay, is it clear? So past, it may be past regular or not, that is completed action. We have to see it is completed action. Don't see it as regular action. Regular action comes under only simple present tense. Habits, customs, schedules, repetitive actions. Okay, take it. Okay, in the past regular, okay, I will tell you another one. Just don't get confused here. For okay, all of you remember, if you have notes also, you can note down. Okay, for completed actions, we use 3 tenses. If time is mentioned, like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, like that, simple past, V2 form. If time is not mentioned, or if it is recently completed, use present perfect, have or has plus V3. If it is completed before another past action or past time, past perfect. It is completed action, time is not mentioned, so we have to take it as a okay, simple past form. So what is the answer here? Has gone. Okay, right, this is the answer. And go to the 19th one in the same way. Go to the 19th one, this one. I dash write a letter, but I dash not post it yet. Pawan Kalyan, okay. Okay, when did you write the letter? Do you know the time? Is the time mentioned here? So here also time is not mentioned, but it is completed action. Okay, for completed action, if time is not mentioned, okay, use present perfect only. Okay, use present perfect. What is that here? Have written. Have written. Is it clear? Has Likita, I have, third person singular only, has, he has, she has. Likita, he has, she has. I have. First person ku have రావాలి, I have అనాలి. I has అంటావా? ముల్లపూడి okay, Ram Subhash here. Why did you write wrote here? Okay, but I did not post. Okay, Aparna, I have written is correct only, but I did not post. Why did you say did not post? I have not posted. Okay, so here also, what is that? Have not posted. I have not posted. I have not posted it yet. Why? What is the reason? Guys here, what is the reason? Time is not mentioned. Okay, I have written a letter, but I have not posted it yet. Ram Subhash, Likita, so I have only. Okay, not I has. Right? Next, 20th. I dash see the movie Rangam last Sunday. All of you check it here. 20th, question number 20. Likita just okay. Likita just okay. See, how can you select all present perfect, all okay? You are concerned with only tense form, but not the usage. Likita, why here? Last Sunday is mentioned, na? You see, last Sunday. When last Sunday, last week, yesterday, 2 days ago, last year, when time is mentioned, go for a simple past. Sunita. Okay, Sunita. Why did you go for present perfect? Sunita and Likita. Listen once again. Listen once again. When past time is mentioned like this, last Sunday, last year, last month, last week, yesterday, ila past time iste, go with a simple past. Past time is mentioned like yesterday, last. అందుకే first you have to get the concept. ఇష్టం వచ్చిన tenses use చేయొద్దు. That is only the mistake in the tenses. What is that? What is the answer here? Likita, could you get it? Sunita, could you get it? Sunita, okay. Likita, could you understand? Okay. When past time like this, last Sunday, last year, last month, okay, yesterday, 2 days ago, when it past time is mentioned, use a simple past. What is the answer? Sa. When past time is not mentioned, any past time is not mentioned, present perfect. Even for recent actions also. Okay. We have to use here present perfect only. I dash never see the Taj so far. So far. Why Ram Subhash had never seen? Had అనేది past perfect కదా. Past కంటే ముందు, so far అంటే present కంటే ముందు కదా. So far అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు. So far అంటే just before present అన్నట్టు. Before past అయితేనే past perfect రావాలి. So what is the answer here? I have never seen. I have never seen. I have never seen the Taj Mahal so far. Okay, Mullapudi, yes, I have never seen. Aparna. Not past perfect, Mullapudi, present perfect only. Past perfect means it should be completed before another past action or before another past time. First, okay, you are not okay concentrating on the theory part. If you don't understand the concept, so here you can't attempt these questions here. Yes. All of you again here. Don't worry. If time is mentioned, simple past. I saw the movie Rangam last Sunday. Last Sunday time is mentioned. So simple past. In 1819, time is not mentioned. Present perfect. Okay. In 21st, here so far means before present. Before present, present perfect. Before past, past perfect. Yeah. My uncle Dash visit Agra last month. So here time is mentioned. Last month the time is mentioned. So what should be the answer? 22nd. visited. Very good. Now Bhavani had visited ఎందుకన్నావు? లాస్ట్ మంత్ అంటే బిఫోర్ లాస్ట్ మంత్ అంటే హ్యాడ్ విజిటెడ్ రావాలి. భవానీ బిఫోర్ లాస్ట్ మంత్, బై లాస్ట్ మంత్, బిఫోర్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్, బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ అని ఉండాలి. బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ అయితే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. హ్యాడ్ విజిటెడ్ అనేది పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ఇక్కడ ఏమనుంది? లాస్ట్ మంత్ అని ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏంది? లాస్ట్ మంత్. యు సీ దిస్ లాస్ట్ మంత్. లాస్ట్ మంత్ అంటే పాస్టా బిఫోర్ పాస్టా? భవానీ జస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ మీ. భవానీ ఆన్సర్ మీ. లాస్ట్ మంత్ అంటే ఇస్ ఇట్ పాస్ట్ ఆర్ బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్? Okay, right? Understood? Very good. So, okay, we will do so many exercises, but you should get the concept. Last month anna, last year anna, yesterday, 2 days ago, 2 hours ago ante past. Before last month, before last week, or before he joined ani past, before past action gaani, before past time gaani, past perfect. 23rd. Now you see, before she got married. Okay, she got married is past. Before past. Now here it is Sanjana dash go to Agra before she got married. Pavan Kalyan. Before she got married ante before past, in past. Pavan Kalyan. Pavan Kalyan. Pavan Kalyan. Before past. Pavan Kalyan, is it before past or past? Pavan Kalyan, is it before past or past? Before she got married. She got married ante past kada. Before she got married ante before past annattu. If it is before past, go with the past perfect. Had gone. Had gone. Next. Are you following? Pavan Kalyan, is it past? Past ఎట్లయితుంది అది? బిఫోర్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంటే బిఫోర్ షీ గాట్ మ్యారీడ్ అంటే బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ కదా. షీ గాట్ మ్యారీడ్ అనేది పాస్ట్. మళ్ళీ బిఫోర్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది కదా. బిఫోర్ షీ గాట్ మ్యారీడ్ అంటే బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ అన్నట్టు. ఈ బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ లో అంటే ఆమె మ్యారేజ్ కంటే ముందే షీ హ్యాడ్ గాన్ టు ఆగ్రా. మ్యారేజ్ కంటే ముందే షీ హ్యాడ్ గాన్ టు ఆగ్రా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. షీ డాష్ డ్రింక్ 5 cups ఆఫ్ కాఫీ టుడే. టుడే అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ కాదు, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. రెగ్యులర్ కూడా కాదు, గుర్తుంచుకోండి. ఓకే, కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్. ఇది కూడా కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్. ముల్లపూడి, ఇట్ ఈస్ టుడే అనేది పాస్ట్ కాదు, టుడే అంటే రీసెంట్. భవానీ, టుడే అంటే పాస్ట్ కాదు, ఎస్టర్డే అంటే పాస్ట్. టుడే, దిస్ వీక్, దిస్ మంత్ అంటే రీసెంటే. నాగసుధీర్, భవానీ, అగైన్ ట్రై. టుడే అంటే పాస్ట్ కాదు, ఎస్టర్డే అంటే పాస్ట్. ఆదిలక్ష్మి, ఇది ఫ్యూచర్ కూడా కాదు, టుడే అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ కాదు. ఆదిలక్ష్మి, టుడే మీన్స్ నాట్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఓకే, సో టుడే. నాగసుధీర్, భవానీ. ఓకే, రైట్. ముల్లపూడి, టుడే అంటే పాస్ట్ కాదు, టుడే అంటే రీసెంట్ అన్నట్టు. టుడే, దిస్ వీక్, దిస్ మంత్. అందుకే మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఒకసారి యూ హ్యావ్ టు నోట్ డౌన్ దీస్ అవి హింట్స్ రాసుకోవాలి. టుడే, దిస్ వీక్, దిస్ మంత్, దిస్ ఇయర్, రీసెంట్లీ, జస్ట్ నౌ, స్టిల్, yet, ఇవన్నీ కూడా. So what is that here? Today means recent, recently completed. So what is the answer here? Okay, what is that here? What is that? She has drunk. She has drunk. She has drunk. Has drunk. Adilakshmi. రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ కాదు నాన్న. ఆదిలక్ష్మి టుడే అంటే రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్ కాదు, కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షనే. ఈ రోజు ఆమె 5 cups కాఫీ తాగింది. ఈ రోజు అని అన్నప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాస్ట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ రీసెంట్. ఇది మళ్ళీ కావాలంటే చూడండి, హింట్స్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద హింట్స్ అగైన్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ రీసెంట్లీ, జస్ట్ నౌ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్. రీసెంట్లీ, జస్ట్ నౌ, దిస్ వీక్, దిస్ మంత్, టుడే, ఆల్రెడీ, సో ఫార్, నెవర్, యెట్, స్టిల్. ఈ హింట్స్ బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి మీరు. దెన్ ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఈవెన్ ఫర్ కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్, ఫర్ రీసెంట్లీ కంప్లీటెడ్ యాక్షన్స్, ఆర్ for the completed actions when time is not known, use this one only, present perfect. Okay, last week, last year, 2 days ago, okay, yesterday ante past annattu. Before past action, by past action వచ్చినప్పుడు past perfect రావాలి. బిఫోర్ తర్వాత ఒక పాస్ట్ యాక్షన్ కానీ పాస్ట్ టైం కానీ, లేదా బై తర్వాత పాస్ట్ యాక్షన్ కానీ పాస్ట్ టైం కానీ వస్తే పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, ఐ వెంట్ టు సినిమా ఎస్టర్డే. ఎస్టర్డే అనేది పాస్ట్. ఐ హ్యాడ్ గాన్ టు సినిమా బిఫోర్ మై ఫాదర్ కేమ్. మై ఫాదర్ కేమ్ అనేది పాస్ట్. బిఫోర్ మై ఫాదర్ కేమ్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ గాన్ టు మూవీ. I went to movie yesterday. Game time kuda mention cheyaledu anukondi. I have gone to movie. I have seen that movie. When time is not mentioned. Even okay, I have seen that movie today. I have seen that movie this week. I have seen that movie this month, this week, today. They come under recently completed. Okay, so you see these 3, you can take a snapshot. Okay, so all of you add yourself in the WhatsApp group. I will send this file to you. Okay, guys, now let us see here, come to another one. Next one. 25th. Ramesh dash eat all the biscuits before his sister arrived. Had eaten, very good. Okay, had eaten. Anushana, K Anushana. Had plus V3 form amma. Had plus V3. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Right. Had eaten. Had eaten. Okay. Adi Anuhya. Had plus V3 form. Very good. Even all of you type your answers. Even if you go wrong, okay, it is not a crime. Okay, I will understand your problem. then I will discuss that point here. Okay, please all of you try here the answers. Okay, nothing to worry. Even if you go wrong, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Even if you go wrong, okay, we will do number of exercises until you get clarity. I will, okay, I will take up this one. Okay, better clarify your doubts. Even okay, you can raise your hand, you can unmute, and you can speak to me. Don't hesitate. And if you don't clear your doubts now, after your BTech, you can't ask these simple doubts to anyone. You feel ashamed here if you ask questions to anyone in future. Better try to clarify your doubts now itself. Okay. So try to attempt the questions here. Okay. Type the answers. Don't worry if you go wrong. Okay. Right. Next one. Had eaten. Why had eaten? See, guys, here his sister arrived is past. Before his sister arrived means before past. Past perfect. Before past, past perfect. Yeah. So what is the answer here? Had eaten. Okay, where is that? So 26 here. This week means recently. Adi Lakshmi. Okay, again you are saying this week means not future, amma. Today, this week ante future kaadadi. Recent past cycle. Next week ante future. Nana Adi Lakshmi. This week is not a future. Next week ante future cycle. This week ante recent past. Now again try. Bhavishya, present perfect, has not rained. Has not rained. Adi Lakshmi, now. Okay, why do you say sorry? It is Adi Lakshmi, don't say sorry. Try to attempt. That is good thing. Very good. Okay, even you go wrong, don't worry. No need to say sorry. It is not a crime. It is right. This week means recent past. Okay, has not rained. What is it? Has not rained. Has not rained. Okay. Next one. Last week means past tense, simple past. 27. It dash not rain last week also. It not okay. Not rain last week also. Itla not rained. Okay, wait. Anu here, why past perfect? Had plus V3 అనేది past perfect కదా. Last week అనేది past before past Anu here. Last week అనేది past past perfect past. So did not ఇక్కడ did వచ్చినప్పుడు ed తీసేయాలి నాన్న. ఎవరు అపర్ణ. ఇక్కడ did వచ్చినప్పుడు ed తీసేయాలి. Did not rain. Anu here did not rain. Okay. సునీత ఇక్కడ ed తీసేసి దీని ముందట did పెట్టాలి. నెగటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ కదా, did పెట్టాలి. What is that? Okay, did not rain. Okay, did not rain. Okay, ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఈ did వచ్చినప్పుడు did ప్లస్ రెయిన్ కలిపితే రెయిన్డ్ అవుతుంది. ఆ ఈడి తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ did వచ్చింది. Did ఉన్నాక మళ్ళీ ఈడ ఈడి పెట్టొద్దు. Okay, right? Did not rain. Very
But then
good.
we can directly write rained, sir.
No. In negative sentence in English must be okay. That negative not should come after helping verb only. Now, before not, we must keep one helping verb in negative sentences. Negative sentence లో not అనేది helping verb తర్వాత పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, did not rain. ఏ నాట్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా డైరెక్ట్ గా పెట్టకూడదు. ఇక్కడ ఒక హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ రావాలి. ఈజ్, ఐఎమ్, ఆర్, వాజ్, వర్, డూ, డస్, డిడ్ ఇలాంటి హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్స్ వచ్చినాకనే నాట్ పెట్టాలి, డైరెక్ట్ రాయకూడదు. ఓకే, ఇట్ డిడ్ నాట్ రెయిన్ లాస్ట్ వీక్ ఆల్సో. నెక్స్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ సమ్ వాట్ ఓకే యూ హావ్ టు థింక్. చెప్పండి. I felt very tired when I got home. So, I went straight to bed. You know time. When did you go? When did you go to bed? You know the time. I felt very tired when I got home. Okay, then I went straight to bed. You know the time of the action. So went రావాలి.
28, sir.
28. 28 కదా మనం మాట్లాడాల్సింది. Yes. Was Paul at the party when you arrived? Was Paul at the party when you arrived? 28 చేయండి. భవిష్య 28 ఆన్సర్ చేయి. మీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు అతను ఉన్నాడా? అప్పటి వరకే వెళ్ళిపోయిండు, అంటే బిఫోర్ ఐ అరైవ్డ్, నేను రావడానికంటే ముందే అతను వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? హ్యాడ్ గాన్. రైట్. He had gone home before I arrived అన్నట్టు. మీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు వాడు ఉన్నాడా? లేదు, అంతకంటే ముందే వెళ్ళిపోయిండు, అంటే బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్. రామ్ సుభాష్ హాజ్ గాన్ కాదు, హ్యాడ్ గాన్. 28 హ్యాడ్ గాన్ బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ కదా. మీరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఉన్నాడా? లేదు, అంతకంటే ముందే వెళ్ళిపోయిండు. No, he had already gone home. Next, 30 చూడండి. The house was very quiet when I got home. నేను ఇంటికి పోయే వరకు it was very quiet. Tell me. The house was very quiet when I got home. Every next one Anna. Next one Mullapudi. Ram Subhash, next one. 30th. అంటే నేను పోయినాక వాళ్ళు నిద్రపోయినరా, పోవడానికంటే ముందే నిద్రపోయారా? When did they go to bed? Before I got home or after I got home? Before I got home. Okay, before I got home. That's why okay, everyone had gone to bed. Right. Everyone had gone to bed. When we got home last night, we found that somebody dash break into the flat. When we got home last night, we found that somebody is that? Had broken amma Adi Lakshmi. Had broken. Why? మేము పోయేవారికే ఎవడో బ్రేక్ చేసి ఉన్నాడు కదా, అంటే మేము పోయేవారికే ఇది అయిపోయింది కదా. సంబడి హ్యాడ్ బ్రోకెన్, హ్యాడ్ బ్రోకెన్, సంబడి హ్యాడ్ బ్రోకెన్. ఎందుకు అంటే ఇది ముందు జరిగింది కదా, ఏది నేను పోయేవారికే జరిగింది ఇదంతా ఇన్సిడెంట్. సో పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్. సో సీ గైస్ హియర్ నెక్స్ట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ వెల్. వి డాష్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సో ఫార్. సో ఫార్ అంటే బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ కాదు, సో ఫార్ అంటే ఇంతవరకు, బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్ అన్నట్టు. సో ఫార్ అంటే బిఫోర్ పాస్ట్ కాదు, బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్, ఇప్పటి వరకు. వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అంటే రెగ్యులర్ అవుతుందమ్మా. పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అంటే రెగ్యులర్ అవుతుంది. మాకు ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు అన్నట్టు. ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ఇంతవరకు లేదు అంటే పాస్ట్ నుండి ఇప్పటి వరకు అన్నట్టు, అంటే బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్. డిడెంట్ హ్యావ్ ఆదిలక్ష్మి, ఇది పాస్ట్. సో ఫార్ అంటే బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్ అన్నట్టు. సో ఫార్ అంటే యా, అపర్ణ గోలి హ్యావింట్. వెరీ గుడ్. వి హ్యావింట్ హ్యాడ్, యు సీ వి హ్యావ్, వి హ్యావింట్, ఓకే, వి హ్యావింట్ హ్యాడ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సో ఫార్. ఈ హ్యావ్ అనేది ఏంటిది? హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్. హ్యావ్ ప్లస్ V3 ఫామ్, ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో వన్స్ అగైన్ హియర్ లెట్ మీ ఓకే రివైజ్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఏంది? జాన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ హియర్ ఎట్ ద మూమెంట్. హీ డాష్ గో టు ఇటలీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? హ్యాస్ గాన్. వై? Time is not mentioned. You must know the reason. It is completed action, but time is not known. For completed action, when time is not known, okay, present perfect. Is it clear? 19th kuda same. We don't know the time. That's why we have to say, I have written a letter. Okay. టైం మెన్షన్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఐ రోట్ ఏ లెటర్ ఎస్టర్డే, ఐ రోట్ ఏ లెటర్ ఎట్ 8 o'clock, 8 AM టుడే. సో టైం మెన్షన్ చేస్తే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ రాయండి. ఇఫ్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ మెన్షన్, ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఐ హ్యావ్ రిటెన్ ఏ లెటర్, బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ పోస్టెడ్ ఇట్ yet. Yet, so far, still. ఓకే, ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అన్నట్టు. ఎట్, స్టిల్, సో ఫార్ ఇలాంటివి వచ్చినప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అని జస్ట్ రిమైండ్ ఇట్. లాస్ట్ సండే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్, సా. ఇక్కడ సో ఫార్, ఎట్, స్టిల్ అనేది బిఫోర్ ప్రజెంట్ అన్నట్టు, రీసెంట్ పాస్ట్. సో ప్రజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఐ హ్యావ్ నెవర్ సీన్. లాస్ట్ మంత్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్? visited. Okay, visited, simple past. Okay, before she got married, before past, so past perfect, had gone. Okay, today, here you see in this one, today, this week, this month, like that means recently completed actions. Present perfect, has drunk. Before his sister arrived, past perfect. Before plus past, before past, past perfect. This week recently completed. Okay, present perfect, has not rained. Last week simple past, did not rain. Was Paul at the party when you arrived? No. He had gone home before we arrived. మేము చేరుకునేసరికే వెళ్ళిపోయిండు. I felt very tired when I got home. So I went straight. Is it clear? Series of actions అంతే. ఒకటి పాస్ట్ లో ఉంటే ఇక మిగతా అన్ని సెంటెన్స్లు పాస్ట్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ఒక narration లో. The house was very quiet when I got home. Before I got home, everybody had gone to bed. Everybody had gone to bed before I got home. That's why it was very quiet. Okay. When we got home last night, we found that somebody had broken into the flat. అంటే మేము భయవారికే ఎవడో చొరబడ్డాడు అన్నట్టు. So everything is going well. So far we haven't had any problem. Right, guys? Again here, only thing is, okay, if you don't have your notes here, take these notes here, okay, and note down this one. So the boxes which are in pink color, note down this. Don't have is wrong amma. Don't have అనేది simple present tense amma. Pawan Kalyan. Didn't have అనేది simple past. Adilakshmi didn't have అనేది simple past. Don't have అనేది simple present tense. ఇక్కడ ఏంది మనకు present perfect కావాలి. Have plus V3. Have not had. V3 కి have కు V3 ఫామ్ ఏంది had. Had. Have, had. Okay. So note down these three, okay, which are in pink color, or take a snapshot. Okay, in your mobile here, you can take a snapshot. Okay, a screenshot. Guys, you can take a screenshot.
Sir, up to today, what all tenses you covered, sir? Like
Yeah.
yesterday, today one.
No.
Give a brief.
Yeah, yesterday's I will tell you once again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yesterday, simple present tense, simple past, simple future, present continuous. 4.
Yes, sir.
Today, again simple past, yesterday's inkoti. Simple past, present perfect, past perfect. 3. So when I give you in the comparison like this, you will get some clarity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Otherwise, here, if I go in a traditional way, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. If I go in a traditional way, so it takes at least 12 hours only to teach each tense. Okay. And again, if there is no comparison, you will get confused which tense to use. You will be comfortable when I deal with only one tense, okay, in 1 hour. You will be very comfortable, and you will do all simple present tense exercises only. You will do all present continuous exercises only. So there will be no need of any thinking. Simply directly you will type that present continuous. You will type that simple present tense. Okay, but when all are compared here, okay, you should know here clear concept. For completed actions, when time is mentioned, simple past. When time is not mentioned or recent time is mentioned, present perfect. If time is before past or by past, past perfect. So simply remember, easy to remember. Only thing is, in your dream also you should remember. Past time is mentioned, simple past. Past time is not mentioned or a recent time is mentioned. Like this, present perfect. So time before past action or before past time or by past action, by past time is mentioned. Past perfect. Just have some clarity. Take snapshots. Okay, once you get the clarity of the tenses in comparison, we will mix up all those. Okay, again do it. But before that, all should know, at least you should have the knowledge of identifying the tenses. What is simple present tense? Subject plus V1 or V1 plus yes. What is simple past? Subject plus V2. What is simple future? Subject plus will or shall V1. What is present perfect? Have or has V3. What is past perfect? Had V3. What is future perfect? Okay. Okay. What is future perfect? Okay. Will have or shall have. You see here. Okay. Will have or shall have V3. What is present continuous? Am, is, are, being form. What is past continuous? Was, were, ing form. What is future continuous? Will be, shall be, ing form. What is present perfect continuous? Have been or has been, ing form. What is past perfect continuous? Had been, ing form. What is future perfect continuous? Shall have been or will have been, ing form. So at least you should have idea of the tense form, verb form. When to use it? Okay, how to use it? We can discuss. So all of you join in the WhatsApp group. I will send you this file to you. Okay. At least have, okay, identify and have the verb forms for each tense. For each tense, what is the verb form? You know that. You should know. When to use it, how to use it here, I will explain. Okay. Okay. I think you have other class. Okay. Let me stop. Please, all of you join in the WhatsApp group. I will share this file to you.
Yes, good evening. Is my voice is clear?